Guys, it's Nikkig. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos. So if you like those type of videos, make sure you guys subscribe. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to put vanity lights on your mirror. Sorry, my throat hurts. I'm actually getting sick. So all you're gonna need is a mirror, your vanity lights, and tape. I have my vanity lights right here from Amazon. It's the Shen Hollywood style LED, and yeah, I'm gonna leave mine down below, the link to it where I got mine. I believe it's like $30 or $40, so it's actually really cheap. So I was really excited about that. So you need your lights, some tape, just because when I put the lights on, you'll see the wire and you don't want to see that, so we're gonna hide that. Now my mirror is different from everyone's. Mine's actually really big, because it also has wood on the side. So yeah, but I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to do it. So yeah.